Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. In my earlier video, I talked about different perspectives through which partition literature can be studied. In this video, I will talk about Sadat Hassan Monto, the Indo-Pak short story writer of partition stories. His stories are the best. I will give a brief introduction to Monto and then discuss his famous stories. You can see the image of my book, Sadat Hassan Monto, Indo-Pak short story writer of partition stories. This book is available at Amazon. You can see it at Google. This is a complete book on life and works of Monto. Now, introduction to Monto. Sadat Hassan Monto was the most notable writer of partition stories and the greatest literary genius of his time that South Asia has produced. This is the picture of Sadat Hassan Monto, the greatest genius of his time. He is the only short story writer in Urdu literature who placed Urdu fiction at international level and the only writer who turned the bloody event of partition into great literature. He himself was witness to the trauma of partition. He saw the division, the massive migration, the forced displacement with his own eyes. He had spent his life on earth on both sides of the border. Was portrayed as a Pakistani writer in India and Indian writer in Pakistan. The horrors of partition compelled him to write about its violence in a critical and graphic way. He faithfully describes the complex and disturbing event of a deeply fragmented society with unwavering honesty. His short stories remained in the center in the consciousness of the Urdu and Hindi readers of the South Asian subcontinent. Later, some of his works were translated into English by Hamid Jalal and Khalid Hassan. This is the reason why we can study his stories in English. A film on Monto, directed by Nandita Das, starring Nawazuddin Siddiqui, was also filmed for the lovers of this prolific writer. These are the image of some of his books. Monto earned popularity for his partition stories, in which he captured the trauma of partition, the woes of divided families, the agony of women, the plight of the migrants, the torment of people who uprooted from the land in the name of religion. He was a realistic prose writer. What he saw, he wrote. He wrote about the pimps and the prostitutes. He was charged for obscenity 3 times. This is the reason because he wrote for the pimps and the prostitutes and the slum dwellers. He wrote in such a graphic way that he was charged for obscenity. But he says, if you find my stories dirty, the society you are living in is dirty. With my stories, I expose only the truth. Monto was a script writer. He wrote script for films at Bombay, now Mumbai. He was a best friend of Ashok Kumar. With partition, because when partition was announced, later on he noticed that once secular Bombay was becoming communal, the friends are becoming foes. So from Bombay, he left for Lahore, but his heart was in India, in Bombay. That was the only city I love. That is the city I still love. This is actually Monto. Now, Monto left for Pakistan because of the fear that Muslims won't be able to live peacefully in India. But later on, this decision was regretted by him. He regretted this decision of going to Lahore from India. At Lahore, he was desperate. He was jobless. So he took to drinking and life became worthless. His health deteriorated, but he wrote a story each day. That was Monto, a very strong man, a very strong and sensitive person. He wrote a story each day. Partition destroyed him emotionally and physically. Those were the days when his controversial stories, Kholdo, open it in English, and Thandagor, that is coal meat, created furor among the people. When in Lahore, there were court cases against him, and to save him from being sentenced to years of hard labor in jail, his friends had to declare him insane. He was sent to mental hospital where he spent some time before returning to his outside world. Monto wrote his greatest masterpiece, Toba Tek Singh, a short story that is the pride of Urdu fiction and literary marvel of Hindi and English fiction too. Monto died in 1955, just at the age of 42. He was very young at the time of his death. Years have passed since Sadat Hassan Monto left this world, but still we read and interpret his stories in many different ways. Partition, with its multifaceted raptures, social, political, psychological, and emotional, is dealt by Monto with all its openness. His stories enable his readers to see through the veil of the hypocrisy of society. And this is the brief introduction of Monto. In the next video, I will talk about his stories in detail. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.